สวัสดีค่ะทุกคนย่าบูจากชาแนลค่ะแม่นะคะทุกคนอยู่เอิร์ธเองแล้วก็ Hi my name is Sasi ม.2 my nickname is Earth my number is 38 and we are with
My name is Subida Namasit. My nickname is Muk. My number is 39.
last one
Hello, my name is Pawanakshia Chatawaraha. You can call me Jiki. My number is 31. We are from Watrasi Mahatha Secondary Demonstration School, Nanakorn Rajapat University, Class 3/1.
welcome to our field trip vlog this is our first field trip vlog to study at this school we are going to take everyone on a tour at the historical site in Samut Prakan province
Ancient city, Samut Prakan, founded by Kulek Viriyapan. The construction began in 1963 with an area approximately 800 rai, shape that resembles an egg just like Thailand.
Let's see how interesting this plan will be. Let's go!
First, let's get to know the ancient city of Samut Prakan better. Ancient city Samut Prakan, founded by Kulek Viriyapan. The construction began in 1963 with an area of approximately 800 rai, shape that resembles an egg just like Thailand.
The layout of the ancient city in the area of 800 rai has been determined to be similar to the overall style of the map of Thailand, as well as the location of the ancient monuments that were modeled by construction and reconstruction were also positioned to match the original region. The proportion is divided into 4 regions according to the geographical characteristics of Thailand, namely the north, the northeast, the central, and the south. Then, create architecture in those areas in accordance with the original location.
Kulek Viriyapan was born in 1914 in a family of Chinese businessmen in Sampeng area. By attention, take advantage of large land, create a boundary according to the shape of the map of Thailand. By providing a replica of the ancient site, important points in the area for people to travel, see, get to know.
Landmarks in the ancient city, we see a turning point that made the definition of ancient city. Beyond the word fully modeled city is the Sanpet Prasat Palace in the Ayutthaya period, because it is in a place where there is evidence very little remains.
Construction of Hall Phra and Dusit Mahaprasat Town Hall is another point of thought development and your artistic skills. Hall Phra was built based on the building style depicted in the carving on the late Ayutthaya era drama cabinet displayed at the Prapas Museum building.
The area at the end of the paddy field in the ancient city, it is the largest location in the ancient city. Create late in your young life. It is an area where Kulek can use her imagination to create architecture and sculpture that looks mixed with religious beliefs and Eastern philosophies such as เขาพระสุเมรุมณฑปพระโพธิสัตว์อวโลกิเตศวร and ศาลาพระอรหันต์ with the aim of being educational enhancement in literature and religion. Creative works at the end of this field collect brought the essence of architecture come to develop until it moves away from the original pattern. It is a collection of art knowledge and all the architectures that have been accumulated. Let's design creative architecture and sculpture according to their own ideas and imagination based on ancient beliefs.